Good day and welcome back to this channel. So to those of you that you have never subscribed, be it you are new, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also do well to follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on gold. Last week I did analysis for you guys, right? I told you that gold would be giving us a drop, and you can see we've gotten that drop. So this week that is coming, we would want to know what gold will be happening and what movement gold will be giving us. Now I want you to actually stay to the end so you understand this movement. But before I go ahead, you can now subscribe to our mentorship program, which is currently going on. We are currently offering a 65% discount. We charge $200 per month, but right now we are cutting it down to 70, which if you are interested you can hop in. You will find the link to the mentorship program in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to the mentorship. Click on it and you sign up and you get started. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on gold. I told you guys before previously, if you were following this channel consistently, I told you that market will break above this level, right? Which it did. And I also told you guys that it will break into this level, which it did. Now, where are we going to be expecting gold to be happening? Is that we are going to see the full picture of what gold is doing. Let's start from this level here, which is year 2022. You can see from year 2022, though it has been trending up before then, but let's start from this 2022. Gold has been doing what? Going bullish. You can see it has been giving us what? An higher highs and an higher lows. This clearly is an uptrend move. Now, if you have to take a look at this on gold, you will see that gold literally came to this resistance level. Then we had a what? A drop to our support level. Guess what again? It did came to our resistance level. Gold eventually came down to this our support level, which I talked about, right? Then what happened? It came to this resistance level, and I warned you guys about selling at this level. You should be careful. A lot of people's stop loss are going to get stopped out. The market is likely to break above this resistance level, and it did exactly what I predicted, which means it broke above this. And after that, when it started dropping, I told you that we will be having that drop to a level of 2423, right? Which it eventually did, and once it got there, we broke within this level. So our forecast next on gold will be to a level of 2290, meaning we should be expecting gold to come to this our support level. So we are going to cover more on this on our mentorship, how we should expect the movement to be made. So if you are interested, probably you trade gold, or you want to know how to trade gold, or you want to learn how to analyze properly and everything, you can sign up to the mentorship, which you will find the link in the comment section. Now back to this our analysis. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So it is just simple. What can you see? It is clearly trending to the downside. I mean, if you have to see something like this, your lower lows, here is your lower highs, this here is your lower lows, here is your lower highs. You can see this here is your lower lows. Lower high is currently playing out. So when the new lower low will start, we are going to cover it in the mentorship. So if you are interested in that, you can watch out. But for swing traders and position traders, it will be best to target this level 2290 before the November election or the US election. We all know, during the US election, gold, like there's going to be a lot of volatility and there's going to be a lot of uncertainty in this election period. So basically you should expect massive movement. But before then, we should still be expecting some drop. But once it gets to November, then probably our bias on gold might eventually change. It depends on the outcome of the election and how it's going. So stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You can also join the mentorship program. All the link would be in the comment section.